Hi, it's really a challenge to find the best products that can be deserving of your hard-earned money. It may be easier when you have a reliable source like our channel. Actually, our team reviewed a lot of products, analyzed endless reviews from the actual users, and made our rankings based on many factors, such as price, quality, durability, performance, and the reputation of the manufacturer. If you choose from this list, you can be sure that you're buying one of the best products. You can see their latest prices and find out more information about these products by using the links below in the description. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Are you looking for the best table saw miter gauge in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 4 best table saw miter gauge that are available on the market. Starting at number 4, we have the Fulton Precision Miter Gauge with a standard slot. As straightforward as the decision may look, choosing the right miter gauge for your table saw can be an overwhelming experience. Now, if you are looking for a top-notch piece but don't know the exact model to buy, this unit is worth trying. This piece comes with everything you need to make a crosscut at any angle with ease. It comes with 13 positive stops at the most popular angles. I mean, whether you want to make a 22.5, 30, 24, 60, 67.5, or 90-degree cut, this gauge comes with all these angles in mind. The head is 0.2 inches thick. Also, it's of solid aluminum for the best durability. We also like that the head is really straightforward to adjust. Therefore, you don't have to worry that adjusting this table saw will interrupt your workflow. To adjust it, begin by untightening the post knob handle, pull out the indexing pin, rotate the head to where you want it, release the indexing pin, tighten the post knob handle, and presto! You are good to go. Additionally, most users like the fact that it has slotted holes. This feature allows one to add a fence when need be. Also, we must acknowledge that the miter bar has metal discs that keep it from rising when feeding the saw with stock. Moving at number 3, we have the POWERTEC 71391 Table Saw Precision Miter Gauge System. Once you order this option, expect to get a table saw miter gauge, T-track flipstop, and a multi-track miter fence. In other words, this package comes with everything you will need to make accurate and uniform cuts. The high-precision miter gauge has 27 stops, 1 at the center and 13 to both right and left. With all these indexing stops, you can count on this 3-piece set for projects that require you to make cuts of different angles. Additionally, this gauge allows for 1-degree step spacing. With this feature, expect the highest degree of accuracy for your cuts when using this set. That means if your project requires spot-on accuracy, this set should work well for your needs. The flip stop ensures that you get uniformity for repeated projects. The convenient locking mechanism keeps the piece exactly where you set it along the rail so that you cut in the exact position you were intending. At number 2, we have the Fulton Precision Miter Gauge with aluminum miter fence. Although the price tag here may not come close to that of the most affordable options on the list, this miter gauge also lies in the category of products that give maximum value for the money you pay for it. This high-quality piece goes a long way to improve the quality of your cuts. Therefore, whether you are looking for a unit you can count on for your professional projects or home-based applications, this piece could be what suits your needs. The head of this gauge is solid aluminum for long-lasting performance. Also, this miter gauge for the table saw comes with 13 solid stops. 6 of the holes are on the right, 6 on the left, and the last at 90 degrees. What's more, all the stops are for the typically used angles. As a result, no matter the variety of cuts your projects need, chances are that this miter gauge will support all your cutting needs from start to completion. The Precision Miter Gauge fence adopts heavy-duty aluminum construction. About versatility, this fence will allow you to use it for most miter gauges. Also, its 2 ends are cut at 45 degrees. With this design, it's now possible to position the fence close to the blade. This way, you will have better control over your workpiece. And finally at number 1, we have the DCT Table Saw Fence and Miter Gauge. As the name suggests, you are getting a table saw fence and a miter gauge at the same time. It's a piece that boasts a high level of engineering for the wonderful woodcutting experience you've always wanted for your projects. This piece has a 3/4 inch miter gauge groove that goes into the standard 3/4 inch table saw slots. The high likelihood of working with your existing table saw implies that it's one unit that takes compatibility as utmost priority. The 18-inch long fence bar offers a usable length of 8 inches. Also, we appreciate that it's easy to eliminate any play in the miter slot with a mere turn of a screwdriver. And since it's adjustable, this fence will offer support close to your blade for convenience. The dial of this table saw miter gauge allows for angle adjustments between 90 and 30 degrees. The protractor head has positive stops at 0, 22.5, 30, 45, 60, 67.5, and 90 degrees to the right and left. Hence, you will find making those common angled cuts easy and fast to make when using this miter gauge. The flip stop slides along the fence and locks in your desired position to help you trim the ends before you can make the final cut. What's more, when you temporarily don't want to use it, you don't have to remove it. Flip it up out of the way. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make a sure like, comment, subscribe.